Yay, another day at work concluded. And yet again, nice and clear, warm, good day to ride. I gotta stop and get some more food for the pooch since he was a little piggy this weekend. Decided, hey, I'm going to eat everything in my bowl this time around instead of doing my usual nibbly on his food instead. So I'm not entirely sure what that was all about. I don't know, maybe it was since he really had nothing to do. I mean, we weren't there all weekend and I had my neighbors watching over him. So what else are you gonna do? Just sit around and pig out? Oh well. It's like we're back home now from our trip this weekend to Columbus and AIM. There's some bit of exciting news, dog related. So they'll be acquiring another pooch here soon enough. Throw a little preview pic right on the screen here, and that'll be our new pup Maggie, who'll be joining us next month. Not entirely sure as to the date, as my sister is arranging transport with her with her cleaning lady. She had family up here this way, so whenever her flight can be arranged, I'll go down and pick her up. But yeah, then we'll have two to bring along with us on our adventures. So really excited. I'll be glad to have her. A little bit of backstory on Maggie. This is my sister actually lives in Florida, so yeah, during all those evacuations going on, I guess the owners that were leaving Florida didn't want to take her with and decided that they were just going to dump her on the side of the road next to the sugarcane fields down there. My sister actually works for the sugarcane industry, so she travels the fields a lot. Someone brought it to her attention, since she's also a dog lover, that hey, this pooch was found wandering along the side of the road. So I figured you might be interested in taking her in. So she called me, asked if I was interested, and said, well, I said have her checked out and whatnot, and see how her temperament is, and give me a call back. Getting a little warm. But then again, it's a good thing that I'm not wearing pants. Well, actually I am wearing pants, but I'm wearing breeze pants and no pants. It's actually quite comfortable, very breezy. I highly suggest in the summertime doing so, for all those that can. Saves you a rather horrifying case of monkey butt. Yes, that's a thing. Though they do make powders for that kind of thing, it's highly messy. Gets everywhere. That's gross. Insects. Yeah, great protein source, but doesn't taste very good on the way down. Oh, nasty. Hello, person. Do you wish to enter the roadway? Please, by all means, do so. I'm not going to creep behind you. Not at all. Thank you. Seems to be a talkative item.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, man. I like it.
Hey, you gotta make it your own, right?
Gotta be unique.
Likewise. Score of points for the chia pet on my head. Ooh, there's Kitty. There's Brief. That's all one. There's Digital Kitty. It was a tiger or something. Why would a tiger be associated with a car wash? That I don't know. It's implying that it's fast. Or that maybe it'll tear up your car when you go through it. It is a mystery. That dude has a very limp antenna. Or maybe it's, as we would say, slightly to the left. Yeah? Just a bit. Checking the rear view. Always got to do that. It's another point. Always check your mirrors when you're at a stop. So you never know when the cars behind you will make you a pancake. What is das? A victory? Maybe. Yep. Certainly so. So yes, I am at the Mart of Pets. Finally. Get some food for Mr. Norm. So I shall be back. Of course, the venerable Mount Rumpke, aka City Dump. Yay. So as I mentioned before, the name of this little town is rather ironic due to that. Mount Healthy. I wonder if they had that name in place before they decided to start the dump here. I sense a bit of irony, people looking to move. It's like, oh yeah, Mount Healthy, that sounds great. When I get here, they're like, oh man, they're smelling the garbage day in, day out. Just not a good smell, let me tell you. Of course, I was one of those schmucks who didn't do their research. Yay. I am just about home now, so I'm gonna say goodbye to y'all. It's been fun, nice day, nice weather, and I will talk to you all later. Ciao.